Hi guys, it's the most beautiful, freaking beautiful day right now. And I'm so happy to be feeling the sun. James and I are going to James's favorite store, Ulta Beauty.
Yeah.
His favorite. He begged and begged me to take him. And Charles's favorite, yeah. His very favorite store in the whole world. Well, I'm going to get a few things for a video that I want to do for you guys, so come along with me. Keep James company.
Check out the back of her shirt. Bam, it's a heart. Isn't that cool?
Thank you.
Guest vlog.
Announcing the actors in my lip video.
So, right here we have color pencils for drawing pictures and such. At the makeup store.
Look at
this is how I interpret everything here. Yes, we got some great pastel markers. Draw on the walls. That's what Cheyenne would do. And right here we have a game where you spin it and see what you win.
Those are kind of cool. Oh, I like the little calculator one. I don't know. I never wear fake nails. I feel like that would. We're back at Target for the second time in 24 hours. We forgot to get Luca a brush, and she is badly in need of it. Ooh, shedding rake?
Yes. Rake that stuff up.
Or shedding blade. Dun dun dun!
Boots and barking. Oh,
Test it out.
Try it on my dress. It's stuck in there.
Oh, that'd be horrible. Alright. Let's go back outside now. It's so pretty. Hey guys! So I am taking care of my friend Alex's farm, who you've seen on my vlog before, while she's away for a wedding. So I'm testing out my iPhone camera right now. So I didn't bring my vlogging camera over here. Hey baby! Want some? Good morning, little Curie. Good morning. Sometimes they don't let the little one, Curie, get any, so I got some to put in this other side for her. There you go, babe. Go on. Go get it. See you later. Here comes one. You're the smartest. Come on. Don't tell all your friends you don't get to eat all by yourself. So cute. It's not for you, honey. It's not for you, Daphne. No. Do you want to film yourself?
Yes.
Here, hold it. There you go. Now you can say whatever you want.
No.
Okay, we'll do whatever you want.
Oh. I'm going to take a picture of you.
Okay.
But what do I press?
That's taking a video right now. Do you want to show them your new unicorns?
No, talk.
You want me to talk?
Yeah.
Okay, so Cheyenne got some new unicorns. Is that good?
Yes.
Okay. Is this one of the new ones? It has beautiful wings. Why don't you tell us about it, ma'am?
I don't know. I'm doing magic.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
What kind?
With unicorns.
Excellent.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Magic. Here I come. Ta-da!
Can I open them?
Yes.
Okay, come out.
To say, come on up.
Come on up, Belle.
Wow.
Actually, you have to fix my hair like Belle.
Bye. So I just dropped off James at nearby the skate park where he's going to do his commercial for Laganya Inc. Hang on, I have to think about my directions. And in the car with my lady daddy, making up a new theme song better than Bear Pun. That's all I got so far. I like it. Keep working on that. Consider it. Look out, Tim. We're taking a little break with these folks. We're just waiting for James to be done filming his skate video, so we stopped to listen to some birds. We all have cameras.
I have a great shot going on.
Wow. Is that noise?
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy. That's really loud.
It's good fishing.
What kind of fish do you catch here that you can eat?
A lot actually. You get flounder, trout, redfish, snook.
There's saltwater trout?
Yeah. Spotted sea trout. That's mainly what you'll catch over here. You might catch some snapper every once in a while. But if you had your fishing off the bottom, you'll definitely get a lot of flounder out here.
Yeah. Those the flat ones?
Yeah. They're really expensive at the restaurants to get too.
The ugly
Our
ones.
neighbor brought us some, but we didn't know how to eat it. It was just like a frozen flounder that he got.
Nice.
Oh yeah, you have to like cut it on